Hello everyone. Today I will walk you through how to embed your Base44 app into your Shopify store. First, open your Base44 app editor. Look at the top right corner of the screen and find the Publish button. Click on it and copy the app URL. This link is important because it allows Shopify to display your app inside the store. Next, make sure your app is live. In the same top right corner of Base44, click the Publish button. Publishing makes your app accessible to the public and ensures it can load properly inside Shopify. Now open a new tab and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left menu, go to Online Store, then click on Themes. Find the theme you are currently using and click Customize to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, choose the page or area where you want the app to appear. Click Add section and select Custom Liquid or Custom HTML, depending on what your theme supports. This section allows you to paste custom code. In the code box, paste an iframe and include your Base44 app URL inside it. Set the width to 100% so it fits the page. You can also set the height to a value like 600 and adjust it later if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Save in the top right corner. Preview your store to confirm the app is showing correctly. If needed, go back and adjust the size values until it fits perfectly. That is how you embed a Base44 app into Shopify. Thanks for watching.